Welcome, dear friends. Today, I want to explore the beautiful Zen concept of Mushin, which translates to no mind or empty mind. This idea might sound a bit strange at first. How can we live without thoughts? But stick with me as we delve into how Mushin can enrich our daily lives, particularly through the art of cooking. Mushin is about being present without the clutter of thoughts and distractions that often cloud our awareness. It allows us to experience life as it is, pure and unfiltered. But how does this connect with cooking? Allow me to share a personal experience. When I first started cooking, my mind was often cluttered with thoughts of my day, to-do lists, conversations I had, and what was to come. I would rush through the steps, barely noticing the vibrant colors and aromas around me. But one day, I decided to approach cooking with intention, treating it as a form of meditation. As I began chopping vegetables, I focused on each slice. I noticed the textures, the crispness of the carrots, the freshness of the herbs. Each ingredient seemed to come alive in my hands as I became aware of their qualities. I allowed my mind to quiet, letting my thoughts drift away like clouds in the sky. This was my first taste of Mushin. With each stir of this pot, I began to feel the warmth radiating from the cooking food, the fragrant spices blending together, and how each ingredient played its part in creating something beautiful. In those moments, my worries and thoughts faded, replaced by a profound sense of gratitude for the simple beauty of cooking. No mind doesn't mean having no thoughts at all. Instead, it invites us to let go of unnecessary clutter and be fully present. It's in this state that we can truly listen, feel, and connect with ourselves and those around us. This experience taught me that when we cook with awareness, we invite mindfulness into our lives. But this practice isn't limited to the kitchen. Mushin can be applied to any activity. Whether it's eating, cleaning, or even speaking with a friend, we can choose to embrace the present moment fully. So, how can you cultivate Mushin in your daily life? Start with your next meal. When preparing food, immerse yourself in the experience. Pay attention to the colors, smells, and textures of every ingredient. If distractions arise, simply acknowledge them and gently return your focus to the act of cooking. Remember, it's about the journey, not just the destination. Embrace the magic of being present and let the beauty of each moment unfold. I invite you to reflect on this. How will you embrace Mushin in your life today? What small action can you turn into a moment of mindfulness? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear your experiences. If you found joy and insight in this message, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more explorations into Zen wisdom. Thank you for joining me today, and may you find peace and clarity in every moment.